Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this space illustration in Infinite Painter. First of all, I am opening screen size canvas, which is available in the preset of canvas size, and I am going to draw the planet first. So I am using monoline brush and keeping the circle tool on. I am drawing the planet going to visible only half of the planet going to be visible on the screen. So dragging it down and setting it not at the center, somewhere to the right. I'm using then blue color. Then I'm going to draw the texture for the planet. So I'm using velocity splatter brush from paint tool and adding the texture to the planet, and then I'm doing this in the clipping layer. Then I'm going to do liquify. So I'm using swivel liquify tool to make it like clumsy liquid texture. I'm going to do this process 2 to 3 times in this whole illustration because adding texture more and more. So next I'm going to use this spray paint from the sprayer tool, and then I'm going to use the liquify tool to make it more textured. You can see that dots from the spray paint are like dragged here and there and looks more textured. And then I'm going to use the stardust from glow tool. I'm using yellow color for this to make it look like some blasting like glow appears on the from the planet, which is visible on the space. Then I'm going to draw. I'm applying the background blue color. Then I'm using the liquify tool again for the golden stardust. Then I'm going to apply the cloud using this sprayer brush, which is cloud sprayer brush. I'm applying this cloud to both the planet as well as the space, because the planet as well as the space not going to look more clear, accurate. It will be full of like dust particles and it will be looking like cloudy, foggy. To create that look, I'm using the cloud brush, and then in the background I'm using the spray paint brush to create this glowy texture. It's like full of stars like that, and doing the same with the planet using the clipping layer. And then I'm going to use different colors, different shades of blue at the background. I'm clipping this layer blending mode as multiply, and then I'm going to add the shadow for this planet. One side the planet going to look like very dark, and another side it's gonna look very bright. So I'm using sand cement spray on sand cement brush, which will be available on online. You can download it there. And once I'm done, I'm going to use I'm adding few more texture to this. I tried a different blending mode for this, but normal blending mode suits well, so I kept it as it is. And at the background I'm adding few more glass like appearance using this stardust brush from the glow tool. I used white color for that, and I'm adding few more golden glow to the planet. Yes, it's all about like adding layers and layers of colors to make it look realistic. So I'm using airbrush to add few more colors, and I feel like the white stardust at the background is more visible, so I'm gonna use airbrush eraser to make it little bit dull. I'm adding few more clouds to the planet, and then the illustration is ready. I'm saving the project, and this is the final look. It looks really glow. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.